Hello everybody, this is SuperPlane72 here. I'm going to do a review on this Extreme 3D Pro Joystick by Logitech. Okay. This can go for the rudder. This can go up and down. Left, right. Do that. Also, this thing can use it for the looking. This is for flaps. I think, yeah, this is for flaps, and this is for trim. There's a throttle right here. Has a little tiny plus and minus thingy. Here's some other buttons. Some of them change the view of the aircraft, and some of them open and closes doors, I think, and some of them open landing gear. Yeah. Anyway. Yeah, you can see it's in black right here, and it's still like a silver color right here. Just black and silver. Looks really cool. Well, this is a nice controller. If anyone who likes airplanes, like Flight Simulator, and I got this one for $30, I think. Yeah, this is just a quick review on this thing, because I have nothing else to upload. Yeah, it's a very nice controller. Hope I give it a like. It's a nice controller. It's a very good controller. This is SuperPlane72, and goodbye.